Dear children, I am going to teach history lesson first रिवीजन के तौर पर द मिडल वर्ल्ड फिर से पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म देखें, सब कॉन्टिनेंट, अ कंट्री लार्ज इनफ टू हैव ऑल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए कॉन्टिनेंट। अ कंट्री लार्ज इनफ टू हैव ऑल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए कॉन्टिनेंट, that is mass of land, a big mass of land which covered by natural figure as sea, mountain, plateau. So large part of a piece of land which called subcontinent. India is next chronicles, accounts given by different writers about the reigns of different rulers. Accounts given by different writers about different rulers is called chronicles. Epigraphy, the study of inscription, called epigraphy. In next में India is located in South Asia. It is bound by the Himalayas in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south and the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal in the southwest and southeast respectively. It has always been a distinct geographical and geopolitical unit since ancient time. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bhutan make up the Indian subcontinent. An ancient name of India. The names Bharat and India have very deep historical roots. The Aryans occupied the country after driving away the Dravidian inhabitants of the Indus Valley and named it Saptasandhu, the land of seven rivers. They separated out and extended their sovereignty gradually to the east over the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab and called it Brahmasidesha. With the passage of time, the entire area lying between the Himalayas and Vindhyas came to be known as Aryavata. Later, they moved down south, which was known as Dakshinapatha. Puran recorded as land covered by Vedic civilization and culture as Bharat. According to Markandeya Purana and Vayu Purana, the country was named after Bharat, the son of Rishabh, in the lineage of Manu. Elsewhere, Bharat is mentioned as the son of King Dushyant. It is also said the country got its name from Bharat, the largest community of the Aryans living in the Saptasandhu. The Persian called the river Sindhu as Hindu and land beyond Sindhu as Hindustan. The Greeks called the same Sindhu as Indus, called this country India, which has now become the English version of Bharat. It is officially recognized by constitution used in foreign country. During the Vedic time, the territorial jurisdiction of the Indian extended from Afghanistan in the west to Myanmar in the north to Tamil Nadu in south, Myanmar in north to Tamil Nadu in south. The country was divided into five major regions: Udincha, Madhyadesha, Prashad and Dakshinapad. Myanmar was also known as Brahmadesha. During the age of Mahajanpada, 1000 BC, 500 AD, 16 Janpada, Ang, Magad, Kashi, Kaushal, Matsya, Vajra, Mal, Vaishya, Hedi, Purv, Panchal, Sursena, Avanti, Achmaka, Gandhar and Kamboja came up and rose to prominence. Chandragupta Maurya established the first empire in India and brought greater part of the subcontinent under one political umbrella. The Mauryan Empire reached its zenith during the time of Ashoka the Great, which included the present Afghanistan, Nepal, and whole of India proper, except Assam, northern Mysore, and northwest Madras. Another large empire was created by the Guptas, which stretched from the Himalayas in the north to river Narmada in the south, and from Gujarat in the west to Bengal in the east. The Mughal Emperor Akbar unified the whole of the subcontinent, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka were also part of the British Empire until 1937. The frame of the medieval period of Indian history. The history of any country is generally divided into three major periods: ancient, medieval and modern. The length of period may be differ in different parts of the world. In India, the medieval period began around the 18th century AD and continued up to the 18th century, 8th century to 18th century. The beginning of the medieval period was characterized by change in political, social, economic sphere, while it's in correspondence to the decline of the Mughal Empire. The medieval period in India is generally divided into two parts: early medieval period and the late medieval period. Now, major development during medieval period next day. Thanks.